Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this useful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to convert a landscape table back to portrait orientation in Word quickly and professionally. This is perfect for fixing white tables, improving document layout and preparing pages for printing. If your table is stuck in landscape mode and you want it back in normal portrait view, this tutorial will help you step by step. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I go down and create a landscape table, make the table it portrait. Otherwise already added a table here. We can see this table is landscape. You can make it portrait. Go the last of the table and we can see here show icon to resize. Now I click and drag the table and resize it, make it portrait. We can see we make it easily. This process is very easy. You can make it any size like square shape or the portrait, landscape, any shape. I hope you understand this process. You can write anything to another table. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.